When a retro motorcycle goes stealth, you often end up with something that is really good looking. And that is exactly what the Jawa Perak is. A bobber that looks drop dead gorgeous in black overalls. Now we've done a couple of videos on the bike which you can check out by clicking the I button right here. Now in this video, we will be identifying our top 5 highlights of the bobber. So before we go ahead, subscribe to ZigWheels and click that little bell icon to stay notified of further motoring content coming your way. Number 1. It is the most powerful Jawa on sale. Now the engine on the Jawa Perak is a 334cc single cylinder liquid cooled unit. Now this motor has been derived from the 293cc unit that you see on other Jawas like the Jawa or the 42. Now the new engine is essentially bored out to displace the extra cubes, and as a result it produces 30 PS and 31 Newton meters of torque, which is roughly 3 PS and 3 Nm more than the standard engine that you find on the other two bikes. The typical Jawa twin port exhaust remains, as it produces a bassy and meteor rumble from its twin slash-cut exhaust pipes. Just hear it for yourself. Number 2. Looks like a proper hardtail bobber. The one thing Jawa does brilliantly is produce stunning motorcycles, as is evident with the Jawa and the 42. Now the Perak essentially mimics hardtail bobber look with the monoshock neatly tucked in beneath the floating seat. Now it retains the typical Jawa elements such as the shrouded headlight, the teardrop-ish fuel tank, as well as the triangular side panels. However, you also find the quintessential bobber elements such as the bob cut fenders, the bar and mirrors, and the tan single-piece leather seat. The overdose of black with little gold elements all around the bike add to the exquisite look of the Perak. Now one could draw parallels with the Triumph Bonneville Bobber, which has a similar look. Number 3. This is the only Indian motorcycle with a floating single seat. The Perak gets this lovely solo seat replete with soft cushion and finished in tan leather. The taillight is also integrated into the seat to give a clean rear look. Now considering that this is the only Indian motorcycle to be homologated as a single seater, we are curious to find out how Jawa has tackled this tricky cantilever seat design. Before Triumph came out with the same solo seat feature on the Bonnie Bobber, the British bike makers spent a lot of money and time ensuring that the floating seat had the strength to deal with riders of any size and on any road conditions. And I can attest to that fact personally, as I have ridden the bike from Pune to Goa and back without the seat showing any signs of failure. Other single seaters available in India like the Royal Enfield Classic 350 have to be homologated as a two-seater, as it allows you the option to fit a pillion seat. Since there is no provision on the Perak to fit an accessory pillion seat, it will be homologated as a single seater. And considering that the ARAI homologated payload for the twin seat 42 is around 158 kilos, would it be half of that for the Perak? We'll have to wait and watch. Number 4. Might look old school, but it has modern elements. Now just like the other Jawas, the Perak has modern elements which are cleverly disguised or shrouded away to keep that classic look intact. For example, despite the new engine being liquid cooled, you find fins on the motor, which are quite reminiscent of the two-stroke units found on the Jawas of the good old days. The starter motor is shrouded well, and the blacked out looks don't make the throttle body seem so obvious. Plus, it has got a 6-speed transmission, disc brakes at both ends, and dual channel ABS from Continental as standard. Number 5. Most affordable bobber in India. At Rs 1.94 lakh ex-showroom Delhi, the Jawa Perak is 1/4 the cost of the next motorcycle in this genre, the Harley-Davidson Iron 883, and the Triumph Bonneville Bobber is 5 times the cost of the Perak. The Brits yet to bring its BS6 compliant version. Now the bookings for the Jawa Perak had begun from January the 1st, and the deliveries were slated to begin from April 2nd. However, due to the enforced lockdown, the deliveries had to be pushed ahead until further notice. those are our top 5 highlights of the Jawa Perak. And in case if you have any further questions on the bobber, do let us know in the comment section below. In the meantime, we urge you to stay at home and stay safe during this enforced lockdown period. Please wash your hands and observe social distancing, and maybe even check out some of our older videos to kill boredom. Also, stick around on the ZigWheels YouTube channel for more interesting content coming your way.